Who loves cleaning up after you cook? Not this woman, for sure. I will do anything that it takes for easy cooking, easy cleanup. And when I'm being grandma over here, that is what I like because I need to go play. This big bad boy is one that fits my bill. So it is massive. Check this out. Look how big it is. That means I get to cook a lot in it, whether it be ground beef, scrambled eggs, even sunny side up eggs. It doesn't matter what I'm cooking in here. We did pork chops. It is nice and big, so I can fit several things in there or a couple pounds in there of things, but it is no stick. That's right, loving this fantastic, super easy to cook on, but my favorite, super easy to clean up. That's right, I wanna go play. So when I cook and I clean, I want it to be fast. Cook, cook, cook. Hurry up, wipe it down because I got grandbabies calling my name for me to go clean. So if you are in need of a new frying pan, this one with a nice sturdy handle that fits in your hand really well, doesn't feel weak, doesn't get unscrewed like mine at home tend to do, and cooks and cleans really fast, this definitely would be one that I would choose.